Hi, my name's Chelsea. I'm going to show you how to get these effortless waves using the 1-inch wand and the T3 switch kit.
Section your hair based on your layers. For this look, we're going to curl our hair in alternating directions using about 1 to 2 inch sections. As we get to the top layer of my face and my bangs, I like to curl inwards towards my face. That way it kind of gets that flip out at the ends. And make sure to go in opposite directions on either side of your part. I love this look. I think that this is probably my favorite barrel size. I love to finish with tousling it with my hands or a brush and some texturizing spray.
And that's how you get this look.